Hey guys, it's Will from Not an Expert again, back with another Apex Legends video. This time Apex came out with a new cinematic trailer for Pathfinder's lore or background or story called Fight Night. It's one of their cinematics that they release every couple of months or so, and it was awesome. But so it kind of inspired me to do a Pathfinder 3D print, and as a side project just for this video, I'm gonna do a t-shirt design as well. So let's go ahead and pull up what I found on Thingiverse here. Give me 1 second. Okay. So by Vidovic Arts, I found this on Thingiverse. He also has a YouTube channel here, Vidovic Arts. As you can see, there he is. He shows his print. It printed out awesome in the video, and he made this 3D model himself. So I'd like to give him credit. I just don't have the time to do it, but yeah, it's an awesome model. So we're gonna try to print that for you guys. And if I don't end up getting that done this week, because you know, I'm not an expert, so I always have problems with this stuff, especially a model like this. Will be the first figure model that I'll have made or attempted to make, really. But we'll see how it goes. But just like my last video, I wanted to stick with Apex Legends. Let me show you. My last video, I made the wingman from Apex Legends. It's one of my favorite prints. Actually, it's by far my favorite print that I've made and put a lot of work into. It feels like forever ago that I made this, but it turned out awesome using PETG, which is what I'm going to use for Pathfinder as well. But as a little side project, what I'm going to do is make a t-shirt with Pathfinder's badge here, and I was either going to put it on the sleeve or on the chest of the shirt, or maybe hoodie. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do, but we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sit back and enjoy, and let me know what you think when it's all said and done. See you in a bit. So, quick update on the Pathfinder 3D print again. It tried printing. I should have realized this, but I was trying to print without support. There's a piece on the Pathfinder that is like his butt area. So like right here, you can see it just tried printing there, and it was printing on top of nothing. So that was my bad. That wasn't the printer's fault or anything. But I'm trying to print it again. This time I'm laying it flat There you go. Now, hopefully that will give enough good support. I'm hoping this area right here isn't too hard to print. It should be able to build up to that point from there. So as long as these supports hold true in that area, he'll be okay. But I guess we'll wait and see, and you guys will probably see that next week. But that was just a quick update. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is the end of the video. As you can see, I have the Pathfinder badge now on my shirt. But when I was doing it, we didn't have time to have Emily help, but I had kind of misaligned it. So what I'm gonna do instead, because I thought this was on my chest, but I didn't realize that right here is like my left pec, so it moves over to the left. Here, let me stand up just to show you a little bit. It's all dirty and nasty. Anyway, so because it's off to the left, I might put something in the middle, or a couple more symbols, maybe other badges that you can get with Pathfinder, or just other Apex badges, and then I'll probably put that in a future video. But it turned out really good. It stuck to it, but it's just off centered a little bit, which is kind of a bummer because I wanted it more like right here, sort of. You can't really see it that well, but anyway, or maybe up here. Yeah, that would have been a good spot for it. But anyway, at least it's something done. And as far as the Pathfinder goes, it's still trying to print on its back, but it's going slow and steady. It's still doing the brim of the print, so I won't have that done until next week, but I will have something for you guys. Thanks for tuning in to this episode, and thanks for being patient over the holidays, because I didn't have another episode for you guys last week. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you have any other recommendations or anything you want to let me know, put it in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.